Hello grade 8. In this video we are going to solve worksheet lecture 1 solutions. Question 1, simplify the following expressions. So in order to simplify expressions we should follow some rules. First we should remove the brackets when it needs. So the first one, I should remove the brackets here, so it will be 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, and then plus bracket 5x squared minus 4x minus 2. So since we have positive here, so we keep all the signs the same. So when you remove the brackets like that, minus 4x minus 2. This is the first step. The second step, I should remove or reduce more, so the like terms together. So 3x squared plus 5x squared, these are like terms. نعود اثنين هني like terms. So we add, it will be 8x squared. And then minus 2x minus 4x. So the answer will be minus 6x. And then 4 minus 2, so plus 2. This is the final answer. Why? Then here we have x squared, here we have x, here we have 2. So they are unlike terms. Clear? Number 2, y cubed, so I copy it, plus 3y squared minus 4, the first one. The second one, I have minus, negative. So minus multiplied by all this bracket, so I should do like that. Minus 2y squared, and then negative times negative, positive 3y, and then negative times negative, positive 4. So when I have minus outside, I should flip all the signs inside. Positive, negative, negative, there will be negative, positive, positive. And then in the second step, I should remove the like terms, or I should collect the like terms together. So y cubed, there's no any y cubed here, so just we copy it, y cubed. We have 3y squared with minus 2y squared, so it will be plus y squared. Okay, 3y, I copy it here since there is no any other y, and then minus 4 plus 4, there will be cancelled, so this is the final answer. Okay, but number 3, we have x multiplied by 2x minus 3 minus 2x multiplied by x squared plus 3x minus 4. So here you should do expand first, and remove the bracket. So I should multiply x by 2x, so it will be 2x squared, and then 2 should be multiplied by 3, so it will be negative 3x. It's like that. And then minus 2x multiplied by x squared, so it will be minus 2x power 3, and then minus 2x multiplied by 3x, so it's negative, since negative times positive, negative, as we said. 2x times 3x, it is 6, 2 times 3, 6, x times x, x squared, and then negative 2 times 4, so it will be plus 8x. So repeat it again, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2x squared minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared, and then plus 8x. The second step, I should remove the like terms. I should collect the like terms. So first I have minus 2x cubed. Usually I start by the highest power. Minus 2x cubed, there is no any other minus 2x cubed here, so we just write it. So minus 2x cubed, we copy it. Okay, again we have minus 2x squared with minus 6x squared, so the final answer will be minus 4x squared. Is 2 minus 6 is minus 4, and the final one minus 3x with plus 8x, so the answer will be minus or plus 5x. x. This is the final answer. Okay, let me go to the next one. Expand and reduce. Okay, so I should multiply x by x and then x by 3. So it will be x squared plus 3x. Right here equal. Again, we should multiply 2 by x, so it will be minus 2x. I have negative 2 here. The negative 2 times 3 minus 6. And then collect the like terms, so we copy x squared first. Then 3 minus 2 is x. And then minus 6, we copy it here. Okay. Second one, we multiply x by x squared by 3x, then by 1, like that, by term. So we start first by x times x squared, x cubed. X times minus 3x will be minus 3x squared. Then x times 1, it will be x. And then start by the second one. So the first one, خلاص finished. The next one, minus 1 times x squared is minus x squared. Minus 1 times minus 3x, it is plus 3x. Then minus 1 times 1, it is minus 1. Okay? And then collect the like terms. So start by the highest power, x cubed. There's no any other x cubed here, so just rewrite it. Again, minus 3x squared with minus x squared. So the answer will be minus 4x squared. Okay? Plus x plus 3x, so it will be plus 4x. And then we copy minus 1 at the end. Okay, so usually when I finish writing and finish the final answer, repeat it just again by 5 to 10 seconds. Just repeat it by yourself. So x times it's x cubed, like that, يعني x times minus 3x squared, and then plus x, then minus x squared plus 3x minus 1. Make sure that all the signs are correct again, and then make sure from the last step. Okay, and then just like that. And by 10 to 15 seconds maximum, you can repeat it again by yourself. The last one, it is equal to 2x minus 3 times itself, since it is 2x minus 3 squared. So it will be 2x times 2x, 4x squared. Okay, 2x times negative 3 minus 6x. Again, minus 3 times 2x minus 6x, and then plus 9. 3 times 3, 9. Negative times negative, positive. So the answer will be 4x squared. I copy it. Minus 12x plus 9. That's it. It's the final answer. Okay, now factorizing. In factorizing, we are doing the opposite process of expand and reduce. Okay, this is opposite to this. So when I factorize the expanded form, this expression, I should do it with brackets, okay, to the origins of it. So let's take half. 3x squared minus 4x, so it will be 3 and 4, there is no any common, so we don't take it. X squared, x, we take x as common, like that. We do brackets, and we do 3x, y, and 3x squared divided by x is 3x. Minus 4x divided by x, it will be 4, and this is the final answer. Okay, so as see here, it's the opposite of expand and reduce. So if you see expand and reduce here, you get this. If you factorize, you get this expression. Here we have 5 and 10, so we take 5 as common, highest common factor. X and x squared, we take x. Y and y squared, we take y, and we open bracket. So 5 by 5 is 1, x by x is 1, y squared by y, so it's y. Then we write minus, then we minus here. X squared by x, or 10 by 5 is 2, x squared by x, it's x, and y by y is 1. So this is the final answer. So if you expand here, you'll get this. 4 and 6, we take 2 as common factor. A and a squared, we take a. b squared, we take b, and c we don't take it. So divide 4 by 2 is 2, a by a, b by b, so c, plus 3, 6 by 2 is 3, a squared by a is a, and no b, so just like this. This is the final answer. Okay? So here it will be 4abc, and here it will be 6a squared b. Okay. Next, number 4. Solve the following equations. So minus 3x here, we copy it. Minus times 4, minus 4. Minus times minus plus 2x equal x minus 1. And now we simplify. So it will be minus 3x plus 2x will be minus x here with this, and just minus 4 equal x minus 1. Now collect all x to one side and all the numbers to the other side. So we keep minus x, for example, here, and we take minus x equal minus 1, we keep it to the right side and take minus 4 to the other side. So it will be, so when you take minus 4, this minus 4, when you take it to the other side, it will be plus 4. Okay? And when you take x to the other side, it will be minus x. Change its sign when it jumps above the equal sign. So we continue. Minus x minus x, so it will be minus 2x and not 2x. Okay, minus x minus x, so it's minus 2x equal 3. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. And then we divide by what? By negative 2 both sides. So it gives that the final answer that x equal to 3 or negative 3 over 2. This with this, we cancel. So x equal negative 3 over 2. Number 2, 40 plus 4x equal. So we keep it the same, nothing to do. 10, we keep it the same. Plus 3 times 2 plus 6x plus 3 times 10 plus 30 minus 2x only. And then we simplify. So 40 plus 4x, we keep it. We simplify here. 6x minus 2x, it will be 4x. Then 10 plus 30, it is equal to 4. Then collect the numbers alone and the variables alone. So I keep 4x here and take 4x to the other side, so it will be minus 4x equal. We keep 40 to the right side and we take 40 from left to right, so it will be minus 4. Okay, so here what did I do? I took 40 to the other side and I took 4x to the left side. Okay, so we got this, and then we observe here that 4x minus 4x is 0, 40 minus 40 is 0. So when I'm solving an equation and I got 0 equals 0 like this, so we write all values of x, okay, all values of x are it's true for all x are allowed, or we may write it's true, it's better to write like this, we write true for all values of x. Okay, true for all values of x. Done? Okay, let's solve this. Number 3. Here we must do cross multiply, and we have fractions on both sides. Okay, so we multiply 2x by 5 is 10x equal 3 times 4 negative 12x. Okay, So we collect all values to one side, so it will be all the variables to the one side. So 12x equal 0. Why? لأنه أنا أخذت minus 12x here. I took it to the other side, so nothing left here, so we write 0. And 10x plus 12x equal to 0. And then 22x equal 0. Okay, and then we divide by 22, so we get x equal 0. Okay, so when we have 22x equal to 0, so x must be equal to 0. Okay, so this is the final answer, x equal to 0. That satisfies the equation. Number 4, we have fraction to the left but no fractions to the right, so we write it over 1 like this and we solve. So it will be 5x plus 1, okay, equal 2 times, we do cross multiplying like this, so 2 times 2x plus 3, so it will be 4x plus 6, then 2 multiplied by 2x and by 3, so it will be 4x plus 6. And then we do collect all variables to one side, and here 6 minus 1. What did I do here? I took 4x to the left side, so I changed its sign. وأخذت 1 to the other side, so I changed its sign. So 6 minus 1. Okay? So 5x minus 4x is x. 6 minus 1 is 1. It's 5. Okay? So just like that. So again, if you repeat it, you will get the same here, 4x plus 6. Just repeat it by 2 seconds when you finish it, as I'm doing here. So 5, here 6 minus 1. Question 2. In question 2, let p of x equal 3x plus 2 all of the square plus 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. And then q of x equal 2x minus 3 into q of x, 5x plus 1 plus 3x squared minus 1. Okay, this is a polynomial. This is another polynomial. I think that you know what I'm thinking about polynomials. Anyway, this is an expression. This is an expression. Expand and reduce p of x and q of x. Expand and reduce p of x. It means to expand and reduce all this. Okay. So we should copy it here and reduce it. So p of x equal 3x plus 2 all of the square plus 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 2. So should expand and reduce. It means that 3x plus 2, we should write it here 2, sorry, into 3x plus 2 as we made before in another example, plus 2x minus 1 into 3x plus 2. This is the first step. So I should write it like this, 2x minus 1, 3x plus 2 here. I copied them. 3x plus 2, كتبنا 3x plus 2 into 3x plus 2. So it is equal. 3x times 3x, it's 9x squared. Again, 3x times 2 is 6x. You know what I'm doing here. I'm multiplying 3x by 3x and then by 2, like this. Okay? Okay. So, now 2. 2 times 3x, again 6x. And 2 times 2 is 4. Till now, everything is good. Plus, I have plus here. So, plus 2 times x, or 2x times 3x. So, plus 2x times 3x, 6x squared. 2x times 2, 4x. So look, I think here it's better to write bracket and keep the plus sign outside and write the bracket and then reduce. It's better. sometimes if we have minus here يكون عندي minus تعمل لي some problems تصير أنا الخلط بين الماينس والبلس معلش. Okay, so let's make a deal and keep the plus sign outside. So I just color it by blue to know that this plus is this one. Okay, and then open bracket and reduce this. Expand reduce this. So it will be 2x times 3x, 6x squared, 4x, minus 3x, like this, minus 2. Right? Close bracket. And then reduce. You can reduce now. Okay. So you could start reducing here. So it will be 9x squared, we copy it. 6 plus 6, 12. So 12x and not 12x squared. It's a common mistake that 6 plus 6x, 6x plus 6x, في ناس كتير بيكتبوها 12x squared, which is wrong of course, plus 4. Okay. Plus 6x squared, 4 minus 3x, 4x minus 3x, it's 1x. By positive here, so it will be plus x. And then minus 2, we copy it. ليش minus 2 we copy it? لأنه I have plus outside. Also here, if you're getting confused, you may just write it like this and keep the plus sign outside, like that. It's better. And then at the end, you just copy 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 plus 6x squared plus x minus 2. This is easier, I think. And at the end, you could reduce, so it will be equal 9x squared plus 6x squared, so it will be 14, 15 x squared, 12x plus x, it is 13x, 4 minus 2, so it will be equal to 2. So 15x squared plus 13x plus 2. Okay? So here we have many steps. I repeat it again. You can skip the video if you have to understand them well. So 3x plus 2, all of its square, I wrote 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. And then I copied to x minus 1, 3x plus 2. And then I expanded and reduced this one. So it's 9x squared plus 6x plus 6x plus 4. And here we wrote the plus sign outside. كتبنا 6x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 2. And then here we copied. Just we simplified 6x squared, 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 2. 9x squared we reduced, we removed the brackets here only, we didn't do anything else. And then we added 15x squared, 9 plus 6, 12 plus x, 13x plus 2. This is the final answer of P of x. Okay, this is only P of x. Now Q of x. Okay, I write Q of x here beside it. So Q of x, it's equal 2x minus 3 times 5x plus 1 plus 3x squared minus 5. So it is equal, this is Q of x. Okay, so this will be equal 2x times 5x, 10x squared. Okay, doing it here slowly and step by step to understand it more. So 10x squared, 2x times 1 is 2x, 3 times 5, 15, so minus 15x, 3 times 1, 3, so minus 3, plus 3x squared minus 5. Okay, fine. And then reduce directly, so it will be 10x squared plus 3 13x squared. Here we have 2x minus 15x. Okay, 2x minus 15, so minus 13x. Okay, and then we have minus 3 minus 5, so minus 8. I repeat it again. I have 10x squared from here plus 3x squared, so we get 13x squared. And then we have 2x minus 15x, so it is minus 13x. And then we have again minus 3 minus 5, it's minus 8. Okay, so this is u of x. Now factorize p of x. Okay, but how could we factorize p of x? Look at p of x here. So we need to factorize p of x. So in order to factorize p of x, we should copy it first. So let me copy it first. Let me copy it down. So it's equal 3x plus 2 squared. Okay. 2x minus 1, 3x plus 2. Plus here. 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 2. So in order to factorize this, no need to expand and factorize. Then if you expand it and reduce, you will get this answer that's here. Okay, it is hard to factorize this till now. So from the beginning, in order to factorize, take the common factor. Like, look at the two terms here. We have 3x minus 2 squared, and here we have 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2 is a common. So you can take it as a common factor. So it will be 3x minus 2 is a common factor. And then open bracket. This is 3x minus 2. Okay? So when we want to factorize, now we should divide. So 3x minus 2 squared divided by 3x minus 2, we will get 3x minus 2. Okay? Plus here, so plus, divide all this by 3x minus 2. So when you divide all this by 3x minus 2, it will be like that. Okay, so it will be 2x minus 1. Okay, and then you write 3x minus 2, we copy it, and we simplify here. So it will be 5x minus 3. Just I want to give you example to understand this more. Suppose that you have like this, for example, a squared plus 2x minus 1 multiplied by a. Okay, and I told you to factorize. So how could you factorize this? Okay, you should take a as common. Check, open bracket, and we divide a squared by a, so you get a. And you divide all this 2x minus 1 by a divided by a. So a with a will be cancelled, so plus 2x minus 1. That's what happened there. Okay, but here the a is this 3x plus 2. All of it, so you can imagine that it is a. Okay, and this is a 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 is common. I took 3x plus 2 here. Okay, خدت أنا 3x plus 2 here, and then خليت 2x minus 1 outside. Sorry, here I wrote it by mistake 3x minus 2. Okay, so 3x plus 2 here. Okay, so do you divide? We get 3x plus 2, and here 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1, yes. Sorry, by mistake. هيدي بتصير 5x plus 1. Okay, and that's it. Done. Let's take the final part اللي هو calculate p of minus 1 and plus q of 0. So what should we do here? I should substitute minus 1 in p of x and 0 in p of x. Okay? So let me first find p of minus 1. Let me copy all the question here and put it here. Okay? So what you need to do here is to calculate. So you need to calculate okay. So just ignore this. So p of 0 plus p of minus 1 plus q of 0. How could you solve? First, let me find p of minus 1. Like p of minus 1, we should replace x by minus 1. So 3 times minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 1, it is minus 2, then minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 2, so 3 times minus 1 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so we're just substituting x by minus 1. So it will be here minus 1 squared plus minus 3 times minus 1. So don't worry here, we'll explain by details. Minus 1, all of it squared. What will be? It will be 1. Why? Then it's negative 1 times negative 1. And it is positive 1. Okay? Plus negative 3 times negative 1, so it is 3. Plus 3. So it will be equal to 4. And now q of 0. We substitute x by 0 in q of x. So it will be 2 times 0, 0. So it will be 0 minus 3 times 5x plus 1, yani 0 plus 1. Okay? Plus 3x squared minus 5. So it will be 0 minus 5. And just I replaced all x by 0. This will be 0, and this will be 0, and this will be 0. So the final answer will be here. The final answer will be here. Minus 3 times 1 plus 0 minus 5. 0, خلاص, we cancel it. So as we said. So just it will be minus 5 like this. Okay. So the final answer will be here. Minus 3 times 1 minus 3 and then minus 5 there, so it will be minus 8, so it's minus 8. Okay, and then do p of minus 1 plus q of 0. So we could write here p of minus 1 plus q of 0 is 4 minus 8, so it's equal negative 4. This is the final answer.